Muslims also practice caste. मैंने मेरे घर पे देखा लोगों को जमीन पे बैठ के खाते हुए. I come from Bihar, and that is where, as a child, I had seen all of this happening. And then I am film. You cannot show women as heroes. That is not a feminist film. Everything is about the boy going through a journey and coming to terms with his identity. It's
Uh, I now go back to the gender aspect and putting it in perspective of what you've retained and what you've changed when it comes to the film. And having watched Periyarum Perumal, just the title itself tells you that it is about the man. Uh, uh, and I do feel that women are not so much of consequence there in terms of even the girl, or there is one teacher, the lady teacher,
yeah,
uh, and particularly the last part of it where you see her between these two men, somewhere becoming this object, with which, if not consciously but unconsciously, a patriarchal narrative comes alongside that of the privileged and the marginalized as well. Now, I want to know, how have you broken that gender aspect, if you have?
so when I watched the film, of course, I didn't, as a woman filmmaker or as a woman, or irrespective of that, there's something that didn't work for me in the film, that the girl never knows in the time of the film, in this timeline, that what had happened with the boy. That didn't sit with well with me. I was like, if you're growing up in our society, how are you so ignorant of everything around? And if you are ignorant, can that be tackled as an arc? I'm not saying all upper caste women are completely aware of what would happen if they have friends from, backward caste people, or like even if you have a Muslim friend, do you have that perspective कि आपके friend के साथ क्या हो रहा है, आपके lover के साथ, boyfriend के साथ क्या हो रहा है? Yes, you can be ignorant, but can that be tackled in a way that that person seems human and not a prop? Like, it's not, she's not a furniture in the film, she's a person. So if she's ignorant, uh, that is the gaze that I wanted, that yes, people can be ignorant, but can that be tackled like she's a person also? You can't make her into that, अच्छा boy का arc है film में तो इसका तो कोई role नहीं है. That is not something. I think all stories, whether it's dealing with faith or whether it's dealing with caste, there is a very strong gender politics around it. Because वही है कि आप बात कर रहे हो stories, you're talking about caste oppression and whatever minorities are going through. You cannot ignore the fact that there is a very strong patriarchal rule, rules and societal norms even in the houses wherein minorities live. Like, अभी आई रिमेम्बर यशिका दत्त की बुक में, कमिंग आउट एज अ दलित में, शी स्पोक अबाउट हर फादर who used to hit her mother. Now she's talking about her Dalit identity and how she came to terms with it, and she took it back to her roots, where she saw her father being abusive to the mother, and it can still be looked at it in a sensitive way. She wasn't really demonizing her father, but there are a lot of people who criticize that while you're talking about the larger issue, why do you have to say about why the father was abusing the mother? Because why not? Because when will this be spoken about? I did get some flack. I remember even before Bebak was made, some friends who had read the script, and this was around 2016, 2017, 2017, when there was a bit of a shift in the political nature of the country, and there were Muslims who were getting. That was a time when the mob lynching was happening, and friends told me, you think it's the right time to tell this story? And I asked them, so when would the right time be? Why does one story needs to be like one story set of stories need to be silenced because there is a bigger issue out there? And who decides what is a bigger issue? Why does a Muslim woman in the house, if she is suffering at the hands of her husband or a father or a brother in a patriarchal construct, why is that story less than a Muslim man being harassed by a Hindu mob outside? लाइक हु टेल्स कि ये वाली स्टोरी भी मत बोलो क्योंकि ये ज्यादा सिस्टेमिक इशू है, बट औरतें घर में जो सफर कर रही है वो भी तो सिस्टेमिक इशू है ना, और तुमने वो रहने दिया है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट कमिंग आउट एंड टेलिंग द स्टोरीज टू यू. सो व्हाट इज मोर इमीडिएट, what needs to be addressed immediate is what the filmmaker wants to do. Unfortunately, film इज अ फिल्म मेकर्स मीडियम, अगर मैं राइटर हूँ, डायरेक्टर हूँ, मैं ये कहानी बोलना चाहती हूँ, आप मुझे नहीं रोक सकते हो बोलने से। बिकॉज दिस आई फील सो स्ट्रांगली अबाउट, आई फेल्ट सो स्ट्रांगली अबाउट बेबाक, needed to be told. I have gone and shot in slums where girls as young as 12, 13 are telling me how they are treated in their house, and how that conversation in Bebak, if you've seen it recently between the two girls, it's taken from my conversation with them. दे सेड कि आप मेकअप नहीं कर सकते हो, नहीं तो आपको जिन पकड़ लेता है. नाउ अ 9, 10 year old girl saying that, according to me, it really disturbs me enough that I feel like I need to make a film about it. While there are larger, bigger issues, political issues in the country, this is also a very, very political issue, that you're brainwashing a child to think like that. You're basically not giving her chance to be a person she wants to be. So that is more immediate according to me than the larger issue, क्योंकि वो बहुत सारे लोग हैंडल कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. इंडिविजुअल स्टोरीज कोई नहीं हैंडल कर रहा है. मैंने पेट्रियार्की के बारे में, कास्टिज्म के बारे में अपने घर पे सीखा है. आई हैव ग्रोन अप जहाँ पे माय आंट और समवन वुड से, अरे डोम की बच्ची है क्या, नहाने जा. नाउ डोम की बच्ची है क्या कम्स फ्रॉम दे यूजिंग दैट एज अ स्लर, एंड दे आर नॉट फुली अवेयर ऑफ इट, दे आर जस्ट सेइंग इट बिकॉज ये कॉमन है, यूज किया जाता है. मुस्लिम्स ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस कास्ट. मैंने मेरे घर पे देखा लोगों को जमीन पे बैठ के खाते हुए. आई कम फ्रॉम बिहार, एंड दैट इज वेयर एज अ चाइल्ड आई हैड सीन all of this happening, and then I am learning from it. As a child I am not given that opportunity कि मैं लोगों को equal देखूं, but I am given the opportunity कि मैं मेरे घर पे discrimination देखूं. What I learn from it and what I take from there is my lived in experience with that, right? So it's I don't know, matlab it's
No, but it's quite right. At least these conversations are starting, these debates are happening. Something which would otherwise have been brushed aside is kind of now coming to
exactly.
light.
So
Yeah,
during
you
the
know,
making of Bebak only, I realized कि I don't know if you know of this. There's this incident that after Bebak was made, Sarah and me, Sarah who played the lead girl in the film, Sarah Hashmi, and me, we went to Delhi to play the film, like screen the film at a few universities, and काफी सारे screens बहुत अच्छे गए. एक particular university में there were a couple of hijabi girls who got very offended by the film, and they said कि ये तो propaganda film है, and like this is being feminazi, and which is a word which it really annoys me, because it is used by it's used by people who want to completely discard gender boundaries, and they are like feminist. And I was really surprised that these two girls were using the word, and they said, so I asked them, let's have a conversation, because if you have a right to that, you think to wear hijab, and why certain people need to talk about it, it's a conversation. But even in that सिचुएशन, आई थॉट कि ये अच्छी बात है कि एक हॉल है जहाँ पे एक मुस्लिम फिल्म मेकर है जिसने फिल्म बनाई है, एक सर्टेन फिल्म बनाई है अपने एक्सपीरियंस को लेके, और दूसरी दो लड़कियां उसी कम्युनिटी से जो आके बोल रहे हैं कि ये गलत है. ये कॉन्वर्जेशन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि कॉन्वर्जेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये सोचना इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो एटलीस्ट स्टोरी तो बाहर आई और लोग बात कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में. Basically what happens is in most mainstream films, stories like that don't come out, and that is erasure. And I think gender is at the most receiving end of this. Of course it's much worse to be a Dalit woman than it is to be an upper caste woman. Probably Muslim women come somewhere in between that, but gender cannot be avoided in films. I think whether it's Hindi film, Tamil film, Malayalam film, you have to have a layer of gender in your film, your understanding of gender. और आप सुपरफिशियली नहीं कर सकते हो. हमने अगर हमारी फिल्म में लड़की को ऐसा नहीं दिखाया है कि वो नारा लेकर के निकल गई है कास्ट को टैकल करने के लिए, हमने उसका इग्नोरेंस बताया, बट उस इग्नोरेंस में भी उसको आग दिया, उसको ह्यूमन बताया है. सो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. लोगों को लगता है कि अच्छा, विमेन जेंडर आइडिया मतलब स्ट्रांग औरत होनी चाहिए. स्ट्रांग औरत मतलब शी इज फाइटिंग विद एवरीवन, एंड देन शी इज लाइक शी डजंट हैव एनीथिंग ऑफ हर ओन टू से. But humanity is that if a woman is flawed, show her flaw. That is treating a woman character as, which I think in a lot of South films, and I have no मतलब बाहर गया तो गया, औरतों को कैरेक्टर ना कि अगर कैसे बताएंगे, मोस्टली मेल फिल्म मेकर्स टेंड टू डू दिस. औरतें स्ट्रांग है तो दे विल झंडा लेकर के खड़े हो जाएंगे, एंड दे विल ट्रेंड टू बी लाइक दिस इज अ स्ट्रांग वुमन, and she is perfect, and she is ideal, and her all her belief system is perfect. That's not how you tell the stories of women. Women are flawed. Patriarchy के gatekeepers हम लोग भी हैं. So if you have to show that is what happens. मतलब घर से जब लड़की निकलती है ना एक tier 2 सिटी में, तो मम्मी बोलती है कि दुपट्टा कर लो, पापा नहीं बोलते हैं, क्योंकि पापा मेक श्योर मम्मी टेल्स हर. It comes from the mummy, it comes from the aunts, it comes from the grandmother. That is what needs to be shown in film. You cannot show women as heroes. That is not a feminist film. कि आप दिखा दिया कि बेस्ट स्विमर माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ रहे हैं. दैट इज नॉट द फेमिनिस्ट फिल्म दैट पीपल हैव ब्रॉडली अंडरस्टूड व्हाट how to tackle gender in films.
Totally get you. Totally get you. But this politics of yours, whether it is to do with gender or the caste, or religion, how do you locate it in the film? I mean, I'm again going back to Periyaram Perumal. I found the one very strong aspect about the film is how the music and the lyrics carry the film's politics,
Yeah.
entirely.
Yeah.
You have to listen to those songs. You have to, and in however flawed a way it comes to me through subtitles, but music and lyrics is what I felt very strongly about. There is this whole element of, this whole metaphor of the dog also, which he has used, and uh, uh, another element about this killer on the prowl, somewhere also becoming a, not just an individual, but this whole society, which is kind of, stealthily kind of trying to throttle. Where does your film take it? Where does your film locate the politics?
I think what one of the earlier ideas which I discussed was setting the film in a more urban space, but not like a metro city, but in more of a tier 2, tier 3 city. And then talk about how caste navigates in everyday life in these spaces. But also, we had a very specific storytelling. This particular boy goes to a college and meets a girl from upper caste, and then how he comes to terms. So, I would say what is different from the take that we decided would be different from the original film is um, I like telling stories about more flawed people. And there is a certain heroism that is there in our cinema, whether it's Indian cinema, not just Hindi cinema, but like across the different region, where a hero is already a hero and doesn't become one. But what I liked about Periyaram also was the hero was not this perfect person, irrespective of whatever community he's coming from. Uh, I always like to see that, okay, this person needs something around them that fixes them in the journey of the film they have. And a Dalit boy or a Muslim person uh, or like a woman coming from a place where they don't accept their identity, and by the end of the film, they are more assured about it. They are more, assertive about it. Is the route that we wanted to take. I somewhere Periram has that arc, but we wanted to be more, defined with it. That's why we added another character who keeps telling Nilesh that you need to accept your identity throughout the film and how his journey goes about that. But we wanted that arc to be very structured. That this is what the film is about. And of course, the metaphor of dog is there and how people in the community are treated. We've taken that, but it's not the central thread of our film. Everything is about the boy going through a journey and coming to terms with his identity. It's basically the story of a reluctant hero. And when I'm saying hero, I don't mean hero in a more Bollywood term, but a hero in terms of him being able to be a complete person in himself. So that is the route we wanted to take. Of course, there's that aspect of killer which really fascinated me. I am a big follower of fan of Korean cinema, and that character gave me that feeling of this lingering threat which is there in the film, and that's how we've treated the character. That this is giving away, but it's okay. The film releases in a week. We open the film with that threat, larger threat of this is what is normal in the world of a film where a killer is on loose, and why he's doing what he's doing is something we get to know by the end of it. But we set up the world like that, and then how the two worlds meet of the boy and the killer. So that aspect of the original film I really liked. What didn't work with me was the entire gender aspect, and I wanted to change how the girl's ignorance is treated in the film, not as a, अच्छा लड़की है तो कैसे पता रहेगा कास्ट के बारे में. It wasn't. I don't think I can make a film with that lens, and I can be completely wrong about it. There are many people from the community who would be like, हाँ लड़कियां ऐसी होती है, बट इट्स अगेन अ लार्जर कॉन्वर्जेशन. जैसे कबीर सिंह के बारे में भी आप बात करोगे तो देर आर पीपल हु हैव सेड हाँ बट प्रीति जैसी लड़की तो होती है ना. मतलब समवन हु नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ, एंड कोई आके बोली ये मेरी बंदी है, और बट आप उसको फिर भी ह्यूमैनिटी दे सकते हो या नहीं दे सकते हो. कैन यू मेक हर मोर ह्यूमन एंड बिलीवेबल. एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट व्हेन आई यूज द वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, it's also if the person you're creating is believable as a person. And somewhere I didn't feel that in the girl's character in the original film. I knew we wanted to change her arc, but how do you keep your main plot point same and change one character completely? That was a big struggle. But we knew that we are telling the story from the lens of gender and caste both, and I would not be okay if I was not able to do that on paper, like have a certain agency and voice for the female character. I think at some point I would have said yaar ye film nahi ho rahi hai mujhse. But I think we kind of made that work, and I hope people think like that as well and see our honesty in saying ki you can tell stories where women are not props. Even while telling the story of a Dalit boy or a Muslim boy, you can, your women, female characters, even if they are world building around them, they have to be human and believable. And I think that was our attempt. Hopefully, that has worked. But
Now coming to one of another obvious question, which is how heartbreaking was the censored bit, you know? Was it, or kind of you took it in the stride? How was it?
um, it was difficult because the thing is, when a film reaches a point where it goes for certification, आपने उसको 50 बार लिखी है, आपने शूट किया है, you have shot patch work for it, you have edited it 30 times on the table, so every word in the film is there because it cannot be taken out. Every shot, every word, every moment, as a filmmaker, along with your team, your editor, your writer, your DOP, you've taken a decision कि यार ये मेरी फिल्म है. उसमें से कोई अगर एक फ्रेम निकाल देना तो आपको खटकेगा. एटलीस्ट एज अ फिल्म मेकर, व्हाट यू से, पैशनेट फिल्म मेकर, आई कैन से दैट आप कोई उसको टच नहीं कर सकता. इवन इफ द प्रोड्यूसर्स कम एंड से यार इसका लेंथ कट कर दो, तो वो स्टेज पे वो लेंथ कट करके भी पहुंची है. बिकॉज of course more popular bigger filmmakers can put a 3 hour film on screen. We can't do that. We still need to keep it like lesser ki स्क्रीन टाइम ज्यादा मतलब शोज ज्यादा मिल सके. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट नेविगेट्स की अच्छा 2 घंटे की फिल्म ही होनी चाहिए, 2 घंटा 10 मिनट नहीं हो सकता. इट्स लाइक दैट. सो वो कोई आके आपको बोल रहा है कि दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग, दिस एंटायर थिंग हैज टू चेंज, दिस नॉट वर्किंग, दिस कैन नॉट बी टोल्ड, दिस कैन नॉट बी सेड. It is tough, but I faced it for the first time because, of course, in the earlier films, it didn't have a theatrical reach, or it didn't need certification like that. Actually, Bebak was certified, but they didn't have a problem with it, so I didn't go through that experience before this. It was emotionally really hard. Actually, it took me a couple of months, and at least my team members around me, like my writer Rahul, who's been like associated with the project very closely. He's been there through the post production also. Him and me were going through a lot because आपका writing attack हो रहा है आपका, the way. So we thought when the cuts had come, we thought we'll go around it by rewriting bits and editing and not taking out what we are trying to say. Of course, Karan got to a point where he got some of his people making calls. I don't know kitne producers ye kar pate, but he helped a lot. The production agreed and understood that if someone has said कि ये scene का आधा scene हटा दो, we are not going to do that, and it damages the film. And it was a very tightly cut film even when it went for certification. तो वी रीरोट, वी री एडिटेड, बट वो एक्सेप्ट करना ना कि ये सब इम्पैक्ट होगा. आप ये एक सीन आपने लिखा है जहाँ पे ये 4 चीज बोली जा रही है, अब वो बोल रहे हैं कि ये 4 शब्द यूज मत करो, कुछ और यूज करो. सो यू गेट इन टू री राइटिंग, बट टू एक्सेप्ट दैट समवन इज टेलिंग यू एंड यू हैव टू डू इट, that became very difficult for me because as a person, where you when you're raised, your parents teach you certain values. एंड सबसे ज्यादा इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज हम पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, पापा का होता है, योर फादर्स काइंड ऑफ शेप यू इनटू, बिकॉज मदर्स आर जनरली मोर सबमिसिव, कि नहीं, दे आर नॉट गिविंग देयर पॉलिटिक्स, जेंडर पॉलिटिक्स टू यू एक्टिवली लाइक योर फादर इज. एंड माई फादर has told me whenever you feel like, he's brought us in a way that I can fight with my father, but it doesn't always happen. I have friends who are really scared of their father, and they are not, which I feel is quite a sad part of the way kids are brought in our society. And I have seen this, and it really disturbs me that मुझे मेरे पापा से डर नहीं लगता, मेरे पापा को मुझसे डर लगता है. So I think it's a right way of raising at least women. So my father gave me that voice, and my mother is not a submissive wife. She will talk to my father, she will challenge his ideas if she doesn't agree with anything, even though she comes from a small village in Bihar. I've never seen her being quiet because papa ne kuch kaha. I have embedded those qualities. अगर मुझे कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, मुझे सही नहीं लग रहा है, तो आई पुट माई पॉइंट फॉरवर्ड इन, बदतमीजी से नहीं, बट इन द मोस्ट मतलब एम्पथेटिकल वे एज पॉसिबल. यहाँ पे मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वाई आई कांट से सर्टन थिंग, वाई आई कांट, मतलब समझ में आ रहा था. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. इन लास्ट 10-12 years I have seen how things are changing, and I understand the whole nature of censorship. Even studied how censorship works in Iran and China, and how filmmakers navigate then how to tell the stories. Our film was more direct. We are saying things very openly and loudly, and that got us in trouble. But we have not let it dilute the film. We have navigated around it. We also held our ground, and we rewrote stuff, re-edited stuff, brought in something else. बट कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं जैसे कास्ट एंगल ही हटा दिया तो अब फिल्म देख के क्या फायदा है. आई थिंक दे नीड टू वॉच द फिल्म. इट्स स्टिल, द फिल्म इज स्टिल सेइंग व्हाट द ओरिजिनल इंटेंशन वाज. बट इमोशनली इट वाज tough to take because matlab, I'm not a conformist. I don't listen to people, and I'm not saying in a way that I'm very brave or courageous or anything. I think that should be the way of life. मतलब एज अ फिल्म मेकर अगर मेरा इंटेंशन है कि मैं स्टेटस को ही चैलेंज करने आई हूँ, और फिर मुझे उसी स्टेटस को कंफर्म करना पड़ा है इन अ सर्टेन प्रोसेस, दैट फॉर मी एज अ पर्सन वाज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट.
Mhm. This is a second film that you've done for Karan, with Karan as producer. And uh, last time I met Karan, I was kind of saying that it's quite, remarkable that, a production house associated with a certain kind of cinema is
Yeah.
supporting narratives like, yours or Neeraj's. How has the experience been for you?
I mean, from day one, like I said, Karan, when he saw Bebak, I think Somen had forwarded him the film, and he saw Bebak and he thought I was the person to direct this film. That itself actually is a huge deal because Bebak is it's a short indie film. But to get, matlab, to have that vision कि यार मुझे, I should give this girl a mainstream film. You know how things are with female filmmakers anyway. People associate a certain kind of storytelling also. Ki, okay, she's a woman, so the protagonist has to be a woman. In last 4-5 months, I have been offered, not that those stories don't need to be told with a certain lens, but ये अगर आप सोच से आ रहे हो ना कि because she is a female filmmaker, तो female lead होगा तो ही we will approach her, ये थोड़ा सा problematic है. We should be allowed to tell all kind of stories, and mainstream masala action films also. Why not? They will become better if women tell them. So Karan having that idea that okay, he saw the film and he thought, and he told me that I think you're the right person to make this film. It will bring in a certain sensitivity that the film needs. That itself is a very remarkable thing to happen. एंड शायद ही किसी के साथ हुआ होगा कि एक शॉर्ट फिल्म से देख करके एक मेन स्ट्रीम बड़ी फिल्म मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, वी आर, आई डोंट नो बड़ी छोटी फिल्म क्या होती है, बट लाइक देयर इज नो शाहरुख खान इन द फिल्म, आई दैट्स द दोज आर द बिगेस्ट फिल्म्स, राइट? But still a mainstream film with a theatrical release, it's quite a unheard of thing. So I mean, I really appreciate the kind, and it has to come from the person, from the producer, right? कि अच्छा मुझे कुछ चीजें चेंज करनी है, and then this is a step I'm taking towards it. So that I will always be very appreciative of. And also to, after I said yes to this feature and then got Love Story later, few months later.
I
Already
see. Okay.
when, this conversation had started. So, love story also, the intention of that entire series, I just wish more people would have seen it, and but in given what all is happening in the society, like people are generally trying to be like, अच्छा पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बात मत करो. मुझे तो बहुत अजीब लगता है जब बोलते हैं लोग पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बात मत करो. पीपल आर ह्यूमंस आर पॉलिटिकल beings. We cannot avoid. What do you mean by politics के बारे में बात मत करो. हम ये conversation कर रहे हैं, ये भी
No,
politics है.
of course, and if you say don't talk about politics, the choice of erasing politics is also a political act in a
It is
way,
a political act, exactly. Being apolitical
So
is a political act. It
yeah,
is
yeah,
when you say a love story, and that's why this film is important. It's not political only because we are talking about a marginalized community, a relationship between two people, where they come from, how they navigate companionship is also political. सो लोगों को लगता है
I
कि
get it.
अच्छा रिलीजन बोल दिया, कास्ट बोल दिया तो पॉलिटिकल हो गया. वरना पॉलिटिकल नहीं है. इट्स दीज आर सिंप्लीफिकेशन. सो the fact that someone in a mainstream production house as a producer, and unfortunately Dharma and Karan do get a lot of online hate and trolls, and still takes that decision that we don't know what is going to happen after the film release. शायद सारे साइड से लोग गाली ही देंगे, and I hope कुछ लोग appreciate भी करें. But he's also exposing himself, putting himself in a place of vulnerability, right, by telling a story like this. But he's taking a decision like that, which is quite courageous. And I think that is what will change the way Hindi films are being told, when someone takes these smaller decisions. एंड ये सबको 100 करोड़ बनाने हैं बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, सबका सपना है. मुझे भी बनाना है, व्हाई नॉट. क्योंकि अगर आपको आप पैशनेट फिल्म मेकर हो, द थिंग इज now people, because of this whole sayara thing, people can say कि अच्छा, certain kind of stories will be back to being told. As long as people are coming to theater, there is money flowing in to make films. It is good for the indie industry. It is good for commercial films. It is good for female filmmakers, male filmmakers. If there's no money, no one is coming. No one is getting, films are getting cancelled. Projects are getting cancelled. It's not good for anyone. So, but
Absolutely.
in this whole scenario, if somebody like Karan puts their money on, or on projects like ours, I think these are significant things that are happening, and it needs to happen. I hope more producers and studio heads try to see the value in that. And somewhere I would say, I
Absolutely.
mean, of course, मेरी फिल्म है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर एक इंसान देखे देश में. But apart from that, I want the film to do well, because more stories like that will be told. And I'm not saying as कि मैंने बहुत महान फिल्म बनाई है, but these stories need to go into the, because there are people who feel that they are not seen and heard on screen. And somewhere when this film released, I feel like even if there is a small section of people, they're like, अच्छा ये तो हमारी कहानी बोली गई है. That even if it's a girl who doesn't have voice to talk in front of her parents, watches the film, sees Vidhi's character and says कि यार, even I should be able to talk to my parents if something is going wrong, or my family, extended family, जो भी. तो उसी के लिए हम फिल्म बनाते हैं, उसी के लिए बनाई गई है. दैट्स आई वांट मोर पीपल टू सी इट, मोर देन पीपल. इट्स अ वेरी रिडक्टिव वे ऑफ सेइंग अच्छा कितना 50 करोड़ होगा या 100 करोड़ होगा. एंड ऑलरेडी पीपल आर लाइक अच्छा सैयारा चल चुकी है, अब तो धड़क नहीं चलेगी. These are just, these are conversations not needed. All films should do find their audience and do well.
In fact, I've been very intrigued about a lot of not just your leads, you have such strong actors like Zakir, you have Harish is there, you have
Vipin,
Vipin there.
Anubha,
Yeah,
and
so
couple of
it's
younger people who are really good, and I really hope people notice, and the film also does things for them, because like Priyank, who's playing Shekhar, the college senior,
Mhm,
or Saad, who's playing Ronnie, Manjari,
mhm.
Diksha, these are all younger actors. And of course then there are Zakir, Saurabh, Anubha, Vipin, Abhay, all of them. And they need to, uh, I mean, like I was saying, I keep talking using the world building, because मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप एक एनिमेशन फिल्म भी बना रहे हो जिसमें बता रहे हो एक रोबोट को दूसरे रोबोट से प्यार हो गया, as a filmmaker you have to convince me. If 5 minutes into Wall-E I am convinced that there is this world, and after the film is over I want to know more about that world, that's a successful film for me. सो ये वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग में आप अपने कैरेक्टर से ही वर्ल्ड बिल्ड कर सकते हो. यू कैन कास्ट योर लीड एक्टर्स एंड देन इफ यू डोंट हैव दैट supporting cast to build that world, that will never feel real. So few things that make it more believable is your entire process of casting, your production design, costume design, how they're like, and especially dialogues. Dialogues are a big play in जो हमने थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म है तो डायलॉग कहीं कहीं पंची भी होना चाहिए, बट इट हैज टू बी लाइक दे रियली हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्जेशन. इट शुडंट बी लाइक अच्छा लोग तो ऐसे बात नहीं करते हैं. दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
I hope also Paranjeet and Mari Selvaraj also watch it. Or
Yeah, I
have
really
they?
want to know what they think of it, and um, I want to know what Paranjeet, Vetimar, and Mari, what they all think about the film. Because it's nice that someone has written a original story and then that gets adapted. Like if someone makes adaptation of Bebak, I would want to see it. So I hope Mari also sees the film, Paranjeet sees the film, and whether they whatever their opinion is, I would want to know.
All the best, Shazia, and I hope the rest of the six scripts are also going to be made very soon. Yeah.
Finger crossed.